In this video, I'm sharing the 5 ClickBank products that are so good, I'd promote them with my own hard-earned money. These are the affiliate offers that are not only topping the ClickBank sales charts, but also hand-picked by our expert team that are most likely to get you the most sales. Speaking of the ClickBank team, let me introduce myself. My name is Justin Clark, and I'm one of the account managers here. I work with the top affiliates and vendors all day long, 365 days out of the year. That's right, I do not even take weekends off, so you know that what you're getting here is the real inside story. Also, don't fact check me on the weekends thing, all right? Our little secret. And I know that you guys are missing Michael a lot because I'm missing him too. Okay, so to kind of make you feel a little bit better, I thought I'd do my best Michael impression and get my elf hat on. Okay, Michael's up north. He's helping a certain somebody check his list once or twice. And so for now, you're stuck with me until we get our beloved Mike back in January. But now, enough of this elf business. We're focusing on the offers. Kicking us off at number 5 is New Era Protect. This powerhouse offer is building on the 4-year diamond track record of Alex Miller. She created Pelvic Floor Strong and is one of the preeminent voices when it comes to women's health. Here are the all-important metrics that I just know that you guys want. Here we go, guys. EPC, $1.67. Average payout value, $54.16, and a hop conversion rate of 3.30%. I'm gonna say that again, 3.30%. Guys, I might quit being an account manager just to go run traffic for this offer. Maybe. New Era Protect is designed to help women over 40 reclaim their bladder control so they can live active, confident lives. This unique product tackles one of the most common yet under-addressed concerns for mature women, giving them the support they need to feel empowered every day. As a New Era Protect affiliate, you'll benefit from a carefully engineered product and upsell flow. You'll access massive payouts of up to 90%, impressive conversion rates of more than 3% like we already mentioned, and a strong EPC that's north of $1.60. Don't forget, these are all numbers that we verify on our end, and trust me, they are fantastic. The caveat is you have to be approved to work with them. But if you can get in on this winning product, you'll offer your audience a solution that they'll love and make lots of commission doing it. Find out more about New Era Protect in the ClickBank marketplace today. And just like that, we're already on offer number 4. Here we have Rocket Languages, a powerful online program that teaches users to speak and understand foreign languages fast. These are Rocket Language's truly unreal stats. And guys, when I say unreal, I mean it. I personally work with this client. They are professional, they are experts, and they consistently have what you will need to be successful. Let's talk stats here. EPC, $3.30. Average payout, $180.82. So that's $180.82, and a hop conversion rate of 2.08%. You could be printing money on this offer if you can dial in your creatives. Rocket Languages delivers interactive lessons across multiple levels and languages, combining engaging activities with proven teaching methods. Your audience will enjoy immediate results when they immerse themselves in the dynamic audio and visual models that focus on real-world conversation skills, cultural insights, and memory-enhancing experiences. As an affiliate of Rocket Languages, you are promoting a well-respected and well-traveled resource that appeals not only to students, ambitious professionals, but also world travelers. Who doesn't want to learn a foreign language? Best of all, there's an excellent track record of success stories with this program, which is known to boost not only fluency, but also build confidence and keep learners motivated as they explore their new languages. You'll have to apply to work with Rocket Languages, but it's well worth your time to become an affiliate of theirs. Check out their marketplace listing to get in touch. Hey guys, a quick break here before we jump back into the top 5 offers of the month, but I wanted to give you guys a little tip. As we move into 2026, everybody's gonna be wanting to pick up new skills as an affiliate marketer. They might wanna get better at a certain traffic source. They might wanna explore a new traffic source. And that can be difficult to understand who can provide you the best information and who's kind of just taking you for a ride. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a little tip. We have an in-house training program for affiliate marketing called Spark.
Whoa! Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me.
Now you might know of it, you might not. But what we have in Spark is we have courses that'll teach you how to become a paid affiliate marketer who runs on YouTube, native, or Facebook / Meta these days. Or even if you want to create an organic following for your affiliate marketing ventures, you can learn how to create an organic YouTube channel, organic Instagram, TikTok, blog, so on and so forth. So we have various courses that fit many needs for our affiliate marketing friends. Go ahead and take a look, click on the link below, and go learn a new skill for the new year. Coming in at number 3 is a new powerhouse offer called Audio Fort. And as you might guess, it's in the hearing niche. Let's pop up some metrics so that you guys can see how this offer sounds to you. First, EPC, $1.21. Average payout of $35.02 and a hop conversion rate of 3.88. That is almost a 4% hop conversion rate. This could be your hot new offer for the new year. This is a top converting herbal dropper supplement that's taking the market by storm. It represents a scientific breakthrough in hearing health that's natural and easy to swallow. Plus, as an affiliate, you can tap into a hot evergreen health niche with massive appeal. You'll earn a 65% rev share or an optional CPA payment if you can provide the seller with some high volume. AudioFort comes with proven creative assets and optimized email swipes to make it easy to launch winning campaigns across multiple traffic sources. Get started with AudioFort in the ClickBank marketplace today. Coming in at number 2 this month, it is an offer that has dominated the ClickBank space all year, and we are talking about Midolin. Here's what we're seeing from Midolin today. An EPC of 86 cents, an average payout of $158.83, and a hop conversion rate of 0.7 shows that even though this offer has spanned the entire year, it is still performing for affiliates. This is a cutting-edge diet product for health-conscious audiences. Midolin brings scientifically backed weight management benefits and a dynamic formula that appeals to today's diet and fitness crowd. It's a perfect hook for those looking to establish tangible results and a fresh approach to getting in shape. As an affiliate, what makes Midolin so strong is the extraordinary payout structure combined with an epic average payout of nearly $160 per sale. With a generous revenue share, a substantial CPA payout if you can earn it, and an impressive EPC, earnings per click that is, you'll see your commissions skyrocket with Midolin. It's still going strong, so don't miss out. Jump in now by checking out Midolin at the top of the ClickBank marketplace. Okay. I know we've seen some truly great offers today, but we have truly saved the best for last. The number 1 offer for December of 2025 is Pro Dentum. Metrics like these don't come around very often, especially for a supplement. EPC of $1.53, an average payout of $198.72. Yes, that is right, $198.72. And a hop conversion rate of 0.83 means that every conversion can be a home run for you. In case you don't know, Pro Dentum is a melting probiotic candy that taps into the growing trend of microbiome-focused dental care. Pro Dentum's formula is designed to nurture the good bacteria in your mouth, leading to stronger teeth, healthier gums, and fresher breath. This multi-pronged approach means different unique angles that you can use to capture attention and drive conversions for your audience. As an affiliate, you'll love having EPCs north of 150, because I know I would. And did you forget about the average payout of basically $200? That is massive. But it's easy to understand why when you check out Pro Dentum's funnel, which features a successful VSL from a seasoned copywriter behind other blockbuster dental and oral offers. Plus, the product's audience is basically anybody aged 35 plus, which I don't know if you guys know this, but that's a lot of people. With both typical dental concerns and broader health benefits, this is an offer that reaches so many people. And last but not least, if you bring in volume for Pro Dentum, there's a nice bump in commissions that they'll offer, which makes this offer even more lucrative. If you're looking for a fresh way to connect with your audience and earn strong payouts, Pro Dentum is ready for you to promote now in the ClickBank marketplace. I know I've given you the top 5 offers of the month, and this is usually when Michael does something fun or gives a good little skit or funny joke. But my gift to you guys as we wrap up this video is kind of, we'll call it a stocking stuffer, right? As we move into the holiday season. I'm gonna give you guys a digital offers roundup. I know we've talked a lot about physical offers in that top 5 video, but what I wanna highlight here are some additional offers that I think would be great for you guys to check out here in December. Digital offer number 1 is called the Brain Song. The Brain Song is a proven solution for unlocking powerful cognitive abilities, and it's endorsed by a former NASA neuroscientist. Here are the metrics. 66-cent EPC, an average payout of $147, and a hop conversion rate of 0.49%. This unique sound wave-based method taps into the natural theta brainwave, which NASA discovered is key to your inborn genius. All your customers have to do is listen to the special audio for just 7 minutes a day, and they can experience renewed mental clarity, creativity, and productivity. For affiliates, you'll love the Brain Song's optimized funnel and strong performance metrics. The creator has already achieved nearly $100 million in sales on his own products, so you can count on a high converting VSL, reliable upsells, and a tested approach that's scaling right now. With a low refund rate and consistently positive testimonials, the Brain Song combines cutting edge, powerful credibility with results, making it a prime choice for your next digital promotion. And our final offer today is going to be Piano for All. Piano for All is an in-demand piano course that helps countless beginners and experienced players master everything from pop to blues to jazz to even classical piano. Here are the metrics on this popular digital offer in the music niche. 48-cent EPC, an average payout of $52.02, and a hop conversion rate of 1.03%. Piano for All shows people how to play by ear and how to read music step by step using ebooks, videos, and audio lessons, all accessible on a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Thanks to its Get Playing Fast approach, learners sound great from day one, and by practicing proven chord progressions, improvisational tips, and memory aids, they will improve fast in their piano journey. As an affiliate, you'll enjoy a 60% commission on each sale, and you'll benefit from the stellar reputation and low refund rate of a product that's been sold since 2006. Piano for All features impressive testimonials, wide appeal, and plenty of affiliate resources, so it's easy for you to start promoting and start racking up those sales. Please check out Piano for All in the marketplace and give it a go. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys taking the time out and going on this top 5 offer journey with me. We're in an exciting time on the cusp of a brand new year and a strong Q1. If you haven't already, I encourage you to claim a free ClickBank account. Then simply head over to the affiliate marketplace, find an offer, and hit the Get Affiliate Link button to generate a tracking link, the same way our very top affiliates do it. I really hope this video has been helpful. If so, please hit that like button so the good people of YouTube know that I made a good video. Also, drop a comment with your favorite affiliate strategy for 2026. How are you going to be getting traffic in the new year? Well, that's all I have for now. Until next time, happy holidays, and of course, happy scaling from your friends at ClickBank.